I just wanted to give everybody a quick update on my stopping soil erosion. I just wanted to let everybody know how it turned out. If you want to learn more about it, I'll be right back. Welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Like I said, this is going to be a quick update on my stopping soil erosion. I'm going to show you a quick video of what it did. Then we're going to go ahead and see how it's turned out. It's been about a year and a half now. Okay, as you can see, the grass started growing up over it. And it really did seem to help the soil erosion. I actually need to get some more dirt and put on it. The only place where it didn't hold up as well as I would have liked is at the very end. You can see where it's actually, I should have buried the hose a little deeper, stuck a little further out, because you can see where it's digging into the ground. But for the most part, you can see it looks a whole heck of a lot better, and it's a whole heck of a lot easier to mow. So, I mean, this is a great idea if you have the same problem I do about the soil erosion. It's cheap and easy. Okay, do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, and as always, thank you for watching.